Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Streetwear Max from Brawl Stars. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna draw a curved line across for her cap. Right there. Semicircle turn at the sides, downwards, and semicircle turn across at this lower point. Inside of that space, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this upper point. And above of that shape, I'm gonna draw an arc shape across from the left to the right there. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape in the middle point right here. Below the cap, I'm gonna draw from the outer corner a curved line across, turn it downwards in the middle point, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape again on the right side right there. Turn it downwards at the side with a diagonal curved line and turn it inwards at this lower point. An arch diagonal curved line in the middle, semicircle turn across, and I'm gonna copy the same shape again on the left side right there. Below the cap at the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards for her face. Semicircle turn at the side there, diagonally towards her chin in the middle. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw another curved line downwards, turn it outwards at this lower point, and diagonal turn inwards to the side of her face right there. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color for the lower half. Right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna take this point off center inside of her glasses and draw a curved line diagonally upwards, semicircle turn to the right at this upper point and turn it back downwards on the right side. I'm gonna thicken the middle point of the curved line right there. And at the outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally up, sharp turn back in to the side right there. I'm gonna fill that in with black color. And for the lower line of her eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this lower point across. Now for her pupil, inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape on the left corner right there. And on top of that, on the left, I'm gonna draw her eyebrow with a diagonal line, semicircle turn on both sides upwards, and another diagonal line above, and fill that in with black color. I'm gonna copy the eye and the eyebrow shape on the left side as well. Now below the glasses, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for her nose. And from the same corner of the nose, I'm gonna draw another curved line and extend it downwards in the middle point. Turn it back up on the right side. For the mouth, below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, slightly upwards at the side, semicircle turn downwards on both sides, and a curved line across for the lower line of her mouth. Inside of the mouth, I'm gonna draw a line down in the middle and a line down on both sides. Now below her head, I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways to the left, semicircle turn upwards on the left corner right there. Turn it upwards, semicircle turn to the middle point, across to the right at the top right there. Turn it back down on the right side and semicircle turn at that corner. At that corner, I'm gonna draw her hand with a curved line sideways, semicircle turn downwards diagonally, and semicircle turn back in and diagonally, a semicircle line across, turn it diagonally up, semicircle turn at the tip of the thumb right there, and back diagonally down. For the other fingers, I'm gonna extend this line downwards with a curved line, semicircle turn at the tip, copy the same shape again at this lower point for the other fingers, and on every fingers I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and at the base of the thumb. Around her wrist, I'm gonna draw a circular line right there, and at the side of that I'm gonna draw a line downwards, another curved line across at this lower point, and below that I'm gonna draw a line down, semicircle turn to the left and back up. Below that, a curved line across, turn it back up and sideways to the right. On the left side of that, at this lower point, I'm going to draw a curved line to the left and turn it upwards to that point. At the side of the thumb here, I'm going to draw a curved line inwards to the point below her chin, and from that point, I'm going to draw a curved line slightly to the left and turn it downwards. Turn it sideways to the right and turn it upwards on the right side. A curved line across at this upper point right there, and along that space I'm going to draw some lines downwards. Now for the color of her jacket, I'm going to draw a diagonal line from the middle point, turn it sideways back to the left, turn it diagonally back up to the right and turn it upwards. At the side, in the middle point of her jacket right there, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape with circular points at that corner, and I'm gonna copy that same shape again along the middle point of the jacket right there, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the jacket on the left side as well. A curved line across in the middle right there. Now below the jacket, I'm gonna draw a line down on the sides right here. A curved line across for the top of her pants, turn it downwards at the side, and for the buckle of her belt, I'm going to draw a line across at that point, turn it downwards on both sides, sideways, and sideways for this point as well, turn it downwards and turn it diagonally up to that corner. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line to the left, turn it downwards and diagonal turn towards the buckle. Continue that line on the right side of that buckle, and I'm gonna continue the upper line as well all the way to the right. Turn it downwards at the side right there, and below the belt on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line down for her legs, curved line down for the inner line of her leg as well, another curved line below the knee point, slightly flare it out and back inwards towards her ankle. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line of the leg. And for her shoes below, I'm gonna draw a curved arch shape right there, curved line down on the side below that, and a curved line across at the base of the shoe. On the left side of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards, and to the right, curved line across at that point, and above that I'm gonna draw another curved line across. In the middle point above, I'm gonna draw a circle. Above the shoe, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there, and another one above the knee. I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the left side here as well. For the left side of the belt, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the upper line, and a similar line for the lower line of the belt, and a line down on the left side. Now for the left sleeve of the jacket, I'm gonna take this point below the hoodie on the left and draw a curved line down, diagonal curved line out, turn it down, diagonal line out again, semicircle turn back inwards at this lower point, a curved line downwards at the side of that, and a semicircle line at the lower point right there. At this corner, I'm gonna draw a circular shape surrounding the wrist, and another circular shape at the outer corner. Now for her right shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side of her hoodie on the right there, semicircle turn downwards, and curved line back to the side. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.